Hello, I'm Daniel. I'm product manager at Opaque, and I'm excited to show you a new feature we've been working on, simulation mode with test data. When working with sensitive data, the need for privacy and compliance can create significant challenges for data teams. Data scientists and ML engineers often face hurdles in developing and testing their queries due to strict approval processes. Meanwhile, data owners need confidence that their data is used in appropriate and secure ways. These stringent controls, while necessary, can slow down development cycles. Data teams need to iterate on their queries, validate results, and optimize their analyses. However, without access to actual data, it's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. At Opaque, our mission is to accelerate AI and analytics into production while ensuring the highest standards of data privacy and security, which is why we are excited to present simulation mode with test data. With simulation mode, when a data owner uploads a sensitive dataset, our system automatically generates a synthetic test version. This test data is used to mirror the structure and patterns of the original data, but without exposing any sensitive information. Data scientists and ML engineers can use this test data to develop and validate their queries quickly, ensuring everything works as expected before going through the necessary approvals processes. By using test data, data scientists can iterate rapidly, troubleshoot errors, and optimize their queries without waiting for data access permissions. This accelerates development, reduces bottlenecks, and ensures that when they do submit their queries for review, they are confident in their accuracy and efficiency. On the other hand, for data owners, they can get visibility into the analysis process without exposing sensitive data. They can run analyses on the test data first to understand potential outcomes and results. This provides them with the assurance they need before granting final approval for the job to run on the actual sensitive data. Let's dive into what this looks like. During the data upload flow, users now have the option to select the type of automatic test data they want generated. They can either select higher fidelity test data that mimics the original distributions of their underlying dataset, or they could generate random dummy data which is based solely on the column name and type. Depending on your application and how sensitive some statistical properties about your underlying dataset are, you have these two options. For now, let's select the higher fidelity test data and upload it. Now we've entered a notebook and we're going to test our query. We could see here that we have our dataset that we've uploaded containing HR data. And we have a synthetic dataset available alongside it. Here we have our query. And before submitting it for approval, I want to make sure that it works. So I'll test it on mock data. Now that we've gone through a few iterations of our query and tested them, we know that our query is in a good spot and can see that the results look good on synthetic data. You can see here from the different runs that we've iterated upon our query over time, continually testing it on that synthetic data to make sure that our output is in the right format without revealing any sensitive information. This looks good to me, so I'll submit it for review. After submitting this for review, reviewers will be able to see the query and test it for themselves on synthetic data to ensure that the output looks like it's in the right form before approving it. My query has now been approved and I can go ahead and run the job on sensitive data. Overall, the purpose of this feature is to bring a new level of agility and security to data analysis. We want to empower both data scientists and data owners to ensure faster development cycles without compromising on privacy. We're excited to continue innovating in the confidential AI and analytics space. Stay tuned for more ways on how we're enhancing the analytics and AI experience going forward. Thanks for listening.